For a moment, there's no sound, no scream, no warning, just air. 12 floors up. Eunice is falling past glass and concrete, past offices that are already dark for the night. This is the part that feels unreal because she doesn't hit the ground. Somewhere between the 12th floor and the street below, her body collides with the 9th floor balcony. It stops the fall, but it doesn't soften it. She is alive, in pain, disoriented, barely able to move, but breathing. And that detail, that single fact, changes everything.